Welcome, my beautiful students. How are you today, girls? How are you? Okay, as you know, we finished weekend book. Today, inshallah, we will take a revision on Unit 1 and 2. First of all, I will tell you what is the day and the date, then I will start my own revision for today. Today is what, girls? Today is Tuesday, and the spelling is Tuesday, and the date is 1443 after Hijrah. Okay, as I told you, today we will take revision on Unit 1 and 2. In our book, we can, of course. First of all, I will start with the past simple tense. Past simple tense is used to talk about a completed action in a time before now. What are the expressions that we can use with the past simple tense? Yesterday, last week, last month, last night, 1 year ago. Okay, so we have two types of the past simple tense verbs: regular verbs and irregular verbs. The regular verbs are the verbs that end with ed to form the past. For example, play, played, talk, talked, cook, cooked. What about the irregular verbs? The irregular verbs are the verbs that do not end, that do not take, that do not, wait a minute, that do not, see what's wrong, that do not take the ed ending for the past tense. For example, go, went, swim, swam, speak, spoke, write, wrote. Okay, so we have play, played, pray, prayed, talk, talked, cry, cried, start, started, use, used, study, studied, travel, traveled, visit, visited. Okay, what about the irregular verbs? Write, wrote, has, had, have, had, run, run, ran, go, went, buy, bought, drink, drank, see, saw, eat, ate, speak, spoke, made, make, made, swim, swam, do, did. Okay? Now, use the past simple tense in the following sentences. Focus with me, please, my beautiful students. Number one, I go to the zoo last week. Use the past. We have to say I went to the zoo last week. Number two, we played football yesterday. We played, add ed. Amal, milk. Amal drank. Amal drank. What is the past of drink? Drank. I eat my lunch at 2 o'clock yesterday. What is the past of eat? The past of eat is ate. Okay? I ate my lunch at 2 o'clock yesterday. Make a sentence using the past simple tense. Like what, girls? For example, girls, I went to the supermarket yesterday. I went to the supermarket yesterday. Okay? I went to the supermarket yesterday. Okay, girls? Verbs to be game. If I ask you my superstars, for example, wait a minute. She, space, a teacher. She what? Of course, we have to use what? She is a teacher. She what? She is a teacher. What about I? I, a teacher. I what? I have to say what? I am, I am, sorry, I am a teacher. Okay, I am a teacher, and I'm sure that all of you knows how to use verbs to be. Now, ask and answer game. If I ask you girls, focus with me. Where are you from? I am from Saudi Arabia. Where do you live? I live in Taif. Then, how do you go to school? I go to school by car, for example. Then, if I ask you my superstars, do you play tennis? Yes, I do. Does your sister play basketball? No, she doesn't. Okay? Now, choose the right answer. How old are you? I am 11 years old. I am fine, thank you. I am a student. Of course, the right answer is I am 11 years old. Where do you live? I am a student. I'm fine, thank you. I live in Taif. Of course, the right answer is I live in Taif. Now, possessive pronouns game. Listen to me, please. Use mine, your, hers, his, ours, and theirs. Here we have to add s, yours, okay? So, number one, this is my pen. It is what? This is my pen. It is mine. This is my pen. It is mine. This is number one. What about number two? This is our classroom. It is ours. Ours. Here we have my, mine. Our, ours. Your, this is your pen. It is yours. It is what? It is yours. This is so easy, girls, right? So easy. This is my pen. It is mine. This is our classroom. It is ours. This is your pen. It is yours. Okay? Now we have has and have. When can I use has and have? I explained them for you before. Number one, a beautiful dress. Of course, we have to say, I have a beautiful dress. So number one, I have a beautiful dress. What about number two, girls? Number two, she a blue bag. She has a blue bag. She what? She has a blue, sorry. She has a blue bag. Number three, we a big classroom. We have a big classroom. We what? We have a big classroom. Number four, Amal, a smartphone. Amal has. Amal has a smartphone. And number five, they, a big house. They have a big house. They what? They have a big house. Okay? Now, if I ask you, give me examples of sea animals like what? Dolphin, shark, seahorse, whale, seagull, walrus. Okay, spelling bee game. If I ask you, give me the spelling of the word fish, F-I-S-H. Give me the spelling of the word shark, S-H-A-R-K. Give me the spelling of the word dolphin, D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Give me the spelling of the word seagull, S-E-A-G-U-L-L. Okay? This is so easy, my lovely students. If I ask you, what do you think about a seahorse? What do you think about a seahorse? We can say, I think a seahorse is cute. I think a seahorse is cute. So I think a seahorse is cute. I think a seahorse is cute. This is number one. What about number two? What do you think about a shark? I think a shark is scary. I think a shark is scary. I think a shark is scary. So I think a shark is scary, okay? Now, my superstars, if I ask you, make one sentence using as plus an adjective plus as. For example, Sarah is as tall as Amal. The bird is as cute as the cat. My room is as big as your room. Okay? This is the end of my own revision today. Thank you for listening and watching, girls, and see you in my virtual class. We will have a quick revision in my virtual class, and I will ask you many questions. Okay? Prepare yourself, my beautiful students. Goodbye and see you later. Goodbye, girls.